Okay guys, my name is Mike. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel we get all types of videos, everything from gaming videos to how-tos to lifestyle type videos and even a vlog coming very shortly. So what I want you guys to do is click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because some really awesome content is coming very soon. But as you can tell by the title, today we're talking about affiliate marketing. But with that being said, let's roll the intro. All right, so affiliate marketing, what is it? Well, affiliate marketing is really like you being a salesperson for a company in the digital world. So how does it work? There's a company A up here, and they're gonna give you a link that now you can promote on Facebook, on email, to your personal network, just to any of your social medias, on YouTube videos, on your Twitch stream, to wherever. In return, once you promote that and a customer buys from your link, guess what? That company is going to pay you a commission, and it's that easy, guys. It's really that simple. And there's tons of different networks and tons of different ways that you can get involved with this. No matter what type of niche you're in, you can really get started and get involved with affiliate marketing today. And you can do it as your part-time job if you want to. You can do it as a full-time job. You can do it just for extra income. You can do it for free. By just promoting it to personal avenues and promoting it on YouTube and promoting it to all your social medias and promoting it to your friends. Or you can do it the paid way and run Facebook advertising. You can run different types of ads on different platforms, YouTube ads. You can create courses. You can do a whole bunch of different things to help promote your products that you're promoting in your affiliate business. So it's really exciting. It's really cool. And there's a few hiccups here and there when you're trying to do it the paid route and really trying to scale your affiliate business. If you're trying to run Facebook advertising, there's going to be one thing you're going to need called a bridge page. And this bridge page allows your link to be processed through Facebook, because Facebook doesn't allow direct affiliate links to the sales page. There always has to be a middleman, which is you. It's be your bridge page. So it's be your sales page where you're given, basically, you're going to give an extra perk on top of it. Like, here's a free training to learn about this product and how it works. If you put your email in here and click this button, and boom, it's going to take them right to the sales page. And now you're going to have one, their information. Two, the customer is going to get some really cool information out of it. And three, now they're going to get the product they originally wanted. So that is something really cool as well that works with that. And the way you can do that is through a program called ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is a funnel building software that basically takes the customer's hands and walks them through the process for you to help you make the sale, capture the information, and generate results for your business. That is what ClickFunnels is. Super awesome, super exciting. Now, ClickFunnels actually offers one of the best affiliate marketing, campaigns or marketing affiliate programs on the internet. It's amazing. It really is. They have a laundry list literally of different products that you can sell with high amount of commissions. And they do all the time. They do these special programs where you get 100% payouts. And then also they have this great program. It's called Your Dream Card Program. Look into it. Go down in the description below, click the link. It's going to take you over to the Dream Card Program. All you got to do is click it, and it's going to take you over there and you can learn all about it. Basically what it is, you sell 100 of their programs, they're going to buy your dream car. You sell 200 of their programs, they're going to buy you your real dream car. When I'm talking about your dream car, I'm talking like Tacoma, I'm talking like Camry, Corolla. I'm talking about oh cool, I got a new car, I got to lease it now. But if you get 200, I'm talking like Ferrari, Lamborghini type cars, you know what I'm saying? So it's really cool. It really is. And this affiliate marketing stuff is really fun. And like I said, you can do it as your part-time job. You can do it as your full-time job. And I'm super excited about it because as a salesperson myself, just be able to sell products online and do different things like that online and find a product that I'm truly passionate about and just wanted to sell it to the people in my audience and stuff like that is really cool to me. So find your niche, find what you're passionate about, find some companies that you're really passionate about. Maybe you're passionate about a certain gaming company out there. Figure out if they have an affiliate program. If they do, start promoting them. And because if you're passionate about it and you're confident about what you're saying and selling, guess what? People are going to click your link for some reason, and they're going to buy that product in return. Cha-ching! You're going to get some cash. And that is how affiliate marketing works, guys. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing and you want to know more about affiliate marketing, there's tons of different videos on YouTube on how to actually do affiliate marketing. I might be creating a few here very soon, but if you guys want to know more information, search YouTube. There's a bunch of different courses, and 9 times out of 10, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, before this video, there's probably some type of course ad to help you get started with affiliate marketing or ClickFunnels affiliate marketing or some type of affiliate marketing program. And I want you guys to get started. So search around YouTube, find a course, start learning, and really start making money, guys. My name is Mike, and as always, hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, leave them down below. I'll be happy to help. As well as I might show you some really cool tips on how to make money on YouTube without ever posting a video. that's pretty cool. That's coming soon. So what I need you to do is click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and smack that like button, guys. And as always, my name is Mike, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.